Oil settled at its lowest price today since November 2011. $81 a barrel. You think that sounds cheap? How about this? Crude oil trading another $4 lower, pushing $76 a barrel. Joining me now, the former president of Shell Oil, John Hofmeister. Hey, Hoff, you know, I've been around oil a long time. I don't recall seeing a price go from $100 a barrel to $76 a barrel in this short of time. Do you, sir?
The volatility, Eric, is driven by people's lack of confidence, loss of confidence, and in fact, in many ways, it's a repudiation of the kind of political leadership that they're seeing that gives the economy little or no hope for the future. So may as well sell, may as well get out of holding barrels, because those barrels are just going to be worth less and less, given the fact we have no economic leadership that's coming from the political elite of the biggest economy in the world. They should all hang their heads in shame, considering where we were 6 months ago when the economy showed signs of growth, when late last year we had growth factors driven by business, and then what do we get all the last 6 months? Taxes on the wealthy, more regulations, more stifling of business. These people don't know what they're doing to put this economy in a deep rut.
All right, sir, and you know, the viewers out there are probably looking at that oil price saying, hey, this is a good thing. My pump price is going to come down going forward. Sure, it will, but we need to point out that the reason for the sell-off in oil is not a good thing. It's a slowing of the economy and likely an increase in the jobless rate in America, because when the economy slows, companies just don't hire, right, sir?
You said it. They may have a cheaper pump price, but they're going to have fewer jobs, to have fewer incomes, to be able to buy the cheaper gas. That's not good for the economy. I don't know what the right price is. Nobody ever does. But when you have a slowing economy, it's going to show up in the jobless rolls. It's going to show up in the foreclosures that come when people don't have jobs. And there just is no sign of a turnaround in the fact that our leadership really doesn't understand business. They don't understand how business leaders make decisions. And with the trillions of dollars, here's the issue, trillions of dollars sitting idle, an infrastructure that's falling apart in this country, domestic energy production going less, not more, and more regulations and more stifling of what economic factors could deliver growth in this economy. It's upside down, Eric.
Right,
That's
right.
the problem.
John,
it's upside down.
Hang in there a second. I want to talk about gold a little bit. Gold reached a new record high today of $1,723 the ounce in trading. Joining us now is Peter Schiff, CEO of Euro Pacific Precious Metals. Peter, after hours, gold up another $20-something per ounce. Would you step in? I have to ask you this because everyone asks me, and I don't know what to tell them here. I think that gold is overdone now on the upside. $1,742 up another $30 an ounce after hours. Do you go ahead and jump in and buy now?
Well, look, I've been buying since it was under 400, and since it hit 500.
That's not what I'm asking. Now, Peter,
I know, but
you're one of my best friends in the trading community. Don't tell me what you did last year. Tell me what you do right now.
Let me finish your question. Ever since it hit 500, people have been asking me that exact same question, and I'm going to give you the same answer. It's not too late to buy. Gold is going a lot higher. The dollar is going to lose a lot more value, and I disagree with your other guest when he said the economy was growing 6 months ago. It wasn't. We were hyped up on stimulus. It was artificial, and now the stimulus is wearing off. We are in a deeper ditch than we were before the stimulus and the bailouts. You know, a lot of these financial companies that they bailed out, companies like Bank of America, they're going to fail again. We're going to have to bail out all these financials. It's going to cost us even more, and we're going to dig the economy into a deeper ditch.
All right, very quickly, not a lot of time. I'll get back to you, but I have to ask you this question quickly. You think we're going to hit a double-dip recession? You think we're on our way to a double-dip? Is that what you're telling me?
We are in a depression. It was interrupted by some stimulus that actually exacerbated the underlying economic fundamentals. We are going to be in this depression for a decade, maybe more, if they keep doing the wrong thing. What we need is to clean out all the excesses. We need higher interest rates. We need lower real estate prices. We need more savings. We need more investment. We need more production. We need more exports. We're not getting any of that.
We need a lot, sir. We need a lot. And frankly, I'm not sure the administration has any idea on how to fix it. We're going to have to say thank you.
They are clueless, and his speech today was pathetic.
I agree with you, and I think that's when the downturn really took off, really accelerated to the downside. I'm going to have to say thank you. I'm sorry, guys. We ran out of time. John Hofmeister and Peter